Here's a quick tour of the woodworking shop at the MakerBarn. MakerBarn is located near the Woodlands, Texas. It's just north of Houston a bit. We've designed a lot of this layout ourselves. This is, as you can see, it's laid out. We've got a lot of room on the infeed and outfeed of our equipment. We designed the dust control system ourselves, and the blast gates are something we designed. Hey, down there, below down there is a 25-inch Hegner scroll saw and a Delta bandsaw set up for scroll work. It's got a narrow blade. You'll see this a lot. This is our Makerspace access control system. We call it MAX, and use an RFID card. You put your card in there. If you're approved to operate the machine, it turns on the machine and the dust collection system. We use this a lot. This is a DeWalt compound miter saw, sliding compound miter saw. We use it, this is used quite a bit. This is one of the neatest saws. It's a panel saw, and we can break down 4x8 sheets. This is the heart of almost any wood shop, a table saw. This is a 5 horsepower saw stop industrial, and it gets a lot of use. So take a look down machinery row here. First thing we're going to take a look at is this 12-inch Laguna joiner. Looks like an aircraft carrier, but it works great. It's got a spiral cutting head and carbide type, and it's great for preparing stock for going through the planer right here. This is a 20-inch Grizzly planer. Again, it's spiral cutting head. Does a great job. And a 15-inch wide belt sander, not a drum sander, it's actually wide belt, and it's open end, so you can run 30 inches on that. Here's an oldie but goodie Powermatic 66. We use this for dado cuts. That's dedicated for dado use. A Grizzly resaw with a 3/4-inch resaw king blade on it. It's a great machine. There's a sanding booth in the back. It's a downdraft booth and some sandblasting stuff. Here's a rotary table we built. This has a 3 horsepower water-cooled spindle in it and electronic height control. This Laguna 18-inch lathe gets a lot of use. Amazing, people like to make bowls, that sort of thing. This is the biggest machine in the shop. This is a Chinese-built CNC router. We're using Centroid controls in it, and it's got a capacity of 52 inches by 52 inches. Although we can use it on a 4x8 sheet of plywood just by simply making 2 passes. So it's a pretty nice machine. It gets a lot of use because if you can draw it on a computer, then you can cut it on the CNC. Just that simple. Off to the left there is an entry to our welding area. Keep that off there. Nothing flammable in there. Some sanding machines. Little edge sander, spindle sander, disc sander. This machine is pretty nice. This is a Grizzly heavy-duty Mortiser machine. It has an XY table, which means you can just lock your piece down to the table and move it and do very precise mortises with it. Very nice. And a jet bandsaw. This jet bandsaw we use for just for general purpose bandsawing work. We keep a 3/8 inch blade on it. And a Powermatic drill press. That's a variable speed drill press. It works out well in a wood shop. And that's about it. This is an overview. You can see how the equipment's lined up, but thanks. I want to say thanks for watching.